Hey, what's up everybody? It's the two-wheeling Belgian, and today I'm gonna do a short video on replacing my windshields. So it's a stock windshield of the 2024 Honda CBR600RR, and we're gonna change it up with a Puig blackened out, dark smoky windshield. So before we start, I have had a little bit of an issue with the rear seat cowl because it's an option. I took it. And the rear piece, it just broke off. I don't know when it happened, I don't know how it did, but it broke off. So at the moment I'm looking for the Honda dealer to get a warranty on it and to see if I can get it replaced. So first part of it, got the kitty cat, needs to move a little bit. Here it is. So it's the Puig windshield, dark smoky one, and as you can see, at the bottom part of it, just a short bit, you have one piece sticking out, so it needs to slide in the bottom end of the bike. As you can see, there's only one piece. You're going to see it in just a sec. There's the Puig logo. You can see there's only one piece sticking out. Now the second piece, it broke off and it was inside of the bag. It broke off during shipment, but it's not a big deal. So when you're going to change it, just need to screw out 4 little bolts. You need a size 2 on the Allen key and just screw out the little bolts. Really easy, really easy. And then you just can take it out. You got the 2 slots where you need to put in the windshield for the first part. So you got one on the right side, got one on the left, and then just change it up. Then you have the 4 little black plastics inside of the windshield. You need to change these up from the stock one to the Puig one. That's the most annoying part, but it was okay. Now this was at night, just got some ASMR. Well, you don't really hear the sound of it, of course, but everybody loves to take some new plastics off. So that was the full install, just really easy, changing it up with a couple of bolts, just slide it in there and you are all good to go. I'm really satisfied with it. It looks way better with the matte black. It looks extremely nice. Got the doggo in the back. And yeah, easy install, looks amazing. And that's pretty much it. Just taking a little tour around the bike. Got to see it from every angle, of course. Got a lot more wind protection. Cockpit view, really good as well. And it's a quality product, so you can feel that as well. And there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Really short, really easy stuff, but you may like it. Like, comment, subscribe. This was the two-wheeling Belgian again. Got a new video coming soon. See you guys then. Peace.